Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, you guys, I'm going to show you how I make my green seasoning marinade. So this is the green seasoning marinade that I use when I'm seasoning up my meats. So if you're interested in seeing how I create this seasoning, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So for this recipe, you're gonna need hot peppers. So this is 4 large Scotch bonnet pepper. You can also use habanero pepper or any hot pepper of your choice. Here I have some cloves of garlic, and that's equivalent to about 2 large garlics. Over here I have my scallion, and this is about 7 stalks of scallion, otherwise known as green onions. Over there I have my fresh green thyme, and for the thyme you can also use dry thyme if you don't have any fresh green thyme, and that is about 6 bunches of thyme. Here I have a large ginger. I also have 1.5 large onions. Over there I have some fresh green parsley. I also have some rosemary, and this is dried rosemary. You can also use the fresh rosemary if you have it, and because this is the dried rosemary, this is about 3/4 tablespoons. And there I have some pimento seeds, otherwise known as allspice. So this is my ingredient that I'm gonna be using to make my green marinade. And to the seasoning, I will be adding some white vinegar. So I'm gonna be using 1/3 cup of white vinegar in order to blend my seasonings here. And you'll also need your blender in order to blend these seasonings. So let's get started into blending all our seasonings in order to make our green season marinade. So I'm gonna add the harder rooted herbs like the ginger and the onion in first, along with some 1/3 cup of vinegar. And we're gonna try to break these down first, and then we're gonna keep adding all our other seasonings as we go along. Yes guys, so if you find that you need a little bit more liquid to help with the blending, if the seasonings and herbs are too much, then you can go ahead and add another 1/3 cup of vinegar to it. So after a couple of minutes, you guys, you can go in to check to make sure that everything is well incorporated and has blended in properly. So after a few minutes of blending, I just go in, take my spatula, go in, stir everything up to make sure that everything is well blended and incorporated properly. And then I'll give it another minute. Nice and rich, and it tastes wonderful when you use it to marinate your meat or your fish, any kind of you know, seasoning that you're doing in terms of meat. This is an awesome seasoning to incorporate in your ingredient or your recipe. So everything is all grinded out. You can see it's all pureed in nicely. And it smells wonderful. So yes guys, this is my recipe for my green seasoning marinade. So I'll end this video here, but if you guys are interested in seeing other recipes like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also leave me a comment down below to let me know how you enjoyed this video. And also please don't forget to share with a family or friend that may be interested in knowing how to create this green seasoning marinade. And also you guys, when I'm finished with this, I typically put it in a sealed container and I store it in my fridge for however long I might need it in order to season my meats. So once you're done, remember to store it in a sealed container and keep it in your fridge. Okay? So thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.